Hey guys, welcome back to another quick inform video. In today's video, we're talking about US Mobile. So yes guys, I actually use US Mobile as one of the carriers that I always try, and they're pretty good. Of course, I have the unlimited plan, but today we're talking about the lower price plans that give you more data now. So there's a couple of US Mobile updates on their plans. So now you can get 15 gigabytes for $20 a month. So as you can see, they have really good entry level price points, should I say. So for $20 a month, you get 15 gigs of data, which is really good, actually, guys. A lot of carriers don't even give you that. They might give you the 30 gigs. They might give you 5, you know. So US Mobile, of course, uses either T-Mobile's or Verizon's network, just depending on which SIM card you use. There are 2 SIM cards. So let's get into it, guys. So US Mobile has just updated some of its plans, and of course, it is live on their website, but we are looking at bestmvno.com. Really good information. And I just like how they give the information. So I'll go ahead and kind of paraphrase everything. It says now they have an eye-catching plan for $20 a month. It did include 12 gigs of data, but now that's increased to 15, so an extra 3 gigs for free. No price change at all. US Mobile has also launched a new starter plan for low usage customers. The starting plan will cost $5 a month for 500 megabytes of high-speed data, 2,500 minutes, and 2,500 text messages. So I can see this is really good price point. Now, I don't know anybody that would use this data or this plan. This is more, I could see, for an elderly couple that just needs a phone for emergencies. If you have a flip phone or something. So 500 megabytes, I mean, you'll blow through that in probably 10 minutes or so. Just depend what you do. US Mobile does charge extras for taxes and fees, so it's not like Visible or Cricket or maybe Boost or Metro, where taxes and fees are included. They do charge you, so those charges include a $2 service fee and an additional regulatory costs of $1 to $5 per line. With those fees in tow, the typical customer is going to end up paying about $8.50 a month for the start plan, which is still pretty cheap, I must say. It says they've crossed 50 million in run rate. Ooh, that's pretty good. So that's still the rate of a prior year represented growth. So it is growing, which is good. US Mobile, of course, I use them. They do have pretty good unlimited plans, and you get perks and everything. But let's say we're not talking about that today. We're talking about the plans. So here's a summary of the plans that have changed. $12 a month gives you 2 gigs of high-speed data. Previously, it was only 1. 20 gives you 15 gigs. Previously, it was 12. For $25 a month, it's 25 gigs. Previously, it was only 18 gigabytes. For $35 a month, you get 40 gigs of high-speed data. That's actually a really good price, but if you do unlimited, I believe it's you do unlimited for $40 with like Visible or other carriers. I believe US Mobile does offer an unlimited data plan for about that same, like 40-45. But this new $35 a month plan is 40 gigs of high-speed data, which is plenty. I would not use that. If I use Wi-Fi, that's plenty for a lot of people, plus 5 gigs of hotspot. Previously, it was only 30 gigs and no hotspot. This change is for the Warp 5G Verizon network based plan only. The T-Mobile plan is still the same, only 25 gigs. So why wouldn't you want to use the Verizon network? I mean, it's a lot better, at least in my area. So it says all plans include unlimited talk and text. Only the $35 plan includes unlimited slowed data once the high-speed data is reached. Wow. So the other plans are hard capped. So this one, once you reach the 40 gigs, once you pass that, guys, it does slow down quite a bit. These other plans, once you go over 2 gigs, boom, lights out, no more data for you. So that's something that you have to watch out for. But overall, I think these are pretty good changes. Not bad at all. Like I said, just some quick video for you guys, a quick update. Like I said, I do like US Mobile. They are a good provider, and they're fast, and I do like them. I also like Visible Mobile and Boost and all the other prepaid carriers, Cricket, So check it out. If you want to support the channel, you can by checking out the description below, guys. Quick little video for you guys. Not bad at all, I think. So thank you. And